I'm really happy. I don't know. Dad, your positive energy is contagious. It's just So today I decided to film a vlog because I've been very absent from YouTube. Well, everyone hates to hear YouTubers say this, but I've been very busy. Very busy with schoolwork and a bunch of other events that have been occurring in my life. Things are finally cooling down now, and I do have an entire lab report to write this whole weekend. And our game plan was to go get breakfast, yes, and then grocery shopping, and then we were going to possibly work on our camper and obviously get started on my lab report. But on the way to breakfast, we got distracted. We are currently going to get a car wash by a flock of grade 6s, and it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be really fun. They're playing hot potato right here, right in front of us, and I'm, oh God, you didn't get that across. Sheba, are you making some friends back there? Yeah. No, we have to put all the seats down for you because your paws get very dirty. Yes, you wonder why our seats are always down. It's because this bugger right here. But right now, I want to divide the whole lab report that I have to write in a few sections so I don't have to feel rushed or pressured. I'm trying to go on Google Classroom to see exactly what my teacher wants for this lab report, because I have briefly gone through it, but I didn't thoroughly check. I really want to do this lab report really well, and knowing that I'm not rushed makes me feel a lot better. Had a lot within these past few weeks. Something that took up a lot of my time was GEFO, which is a big French game competition activity event. It's like a summer camp, and I was volunteering for 4 days straight, and I slept at my school, more specifically my math class, which I don't mind, but it's just, you don't really want to sleep in your math class. It's just pretty cool. I'm really weird. You guys already know that. So 4 or 5 page lab report. Wait, so I'm gonna start. So without further ado, I hope you enjoy seeing me work. Yep. like a little challenging. We're going for a trip.
When love comes in, ooh la la la. Love comes in.
Shiva, come here. Wow. Hi, baby. You're so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah, she's a little camera shy. Look here. Oh, it's a camera. Oh, there you go. So I'm pretty hungry. I brought some berries, so we're just gonna have some berries, and I'm gonna bring you guys along.